Hi, I'm Chloe.
And I'm Melanie.
And June is Oh Your Staycation month.
In this video, we're going to show you exactly what a staycation in Chicago could look like.
Come with us.
You can't be a tourist in your own city without seeing all of its iconic locations. Millennium Park, Navy Pier, the Hancock Tower, and of course, the Bean.
Shopping. What better way to spend the money that you saved on airfare than to go shopping in your hometown? Mag Mile in Chicago is the best way to spend the money that's burning a hole in your pocket.
Museums are not only a fun way to spend your day, but they're educational and family friendly. They're also a great backup option if your staycation day is a little rainy.
If you want to dine in style, the Drake has an excellent high tea option. It's also not a bad place to stay if you'd like to indulge in a hotel room in your city. A beautiful way to get to know the city is by getting on the water. You can either do that with a guided architecture boat tour, or if you're feeling more adventurous, a kayak.
Well, if you prefer land over water, the Riverwalk is a great way to enjoy the water and the skyline. Plus, there's multiple breweries and wineries you can stop at along the way. Dinner and a show is a great way to enjoy your city's nightlife. Check out any touring Broadway shows or one of the many local theaters around town.
A staycation is what you make of it. We spent hours touring all the hotspots of the city, but yours could be staying at home with a relaxing spa day.
Thank you for coming around Chicago with us. We hope we inspired you to find something relaxing and fun to do in your hometown. Bye.